I'm going to show you quickly how to move your cryptocurrencies from Altcointrader to the Exodus wallet. Okay, say for instance, now you have bought your Bitcoin and you have, okay, I'm going to go with Bitcoin for now. Okay, the other cryptocurrencies I'll quickly do just now. So your Bitcoin is shown here at the top. Okay, you're going to withdraw it. Okay, you're going to withdraw a cryptocurrency and it's going to be Bitcoin for now. Okay, so you're going to withdraw Bitcoin, you scroll down. Okay, the recipient Bitcoin address. Now you will go to your Exodus later, and I am going to find my Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Okay, I'm going to receive Bitcoin into my Exodus. So I'm going to click on receive. It'll give me my Bitcoin address. I will copy it, and then I'll go back to my Altcointrader. I'll paste it in there. You can click on there to click all of your Bitcoin. Okay. There's the fee for your Bitcoin transfer and you will withdraw Bitcoin. They will then send you an email to confirm your withdrawal. You go to your email, you obviously click on the link and confirm your withdrawal. And then it will come and display in your Bitcoin address over here. It doesn't take that very long, but sometimes with the exchanges, it can take up to half an hour. Okay, so if you wanted to move any other cryptocurrency, you will do exactly the same. So obviously you will buy whichever cryptocurrency you want. Let's go Sol, for instance. So you bought your Sol and then you want to withdraw a cryptocurrency and you want to go and select the cryptocurrency that you want. Sol. Okay. And then the recipient Sol address. So I'll go back here. And then I will say Sol, Solana, and I will receive. I will copy the address and I will place it in there. And then click on the amount of Sol you want to move and withdraw it. Same thing, you'll get an email notification. Okay. Now let's say, for instance, you've got your money already in Altcointrader. In Exodus. Let's say you got your Bitcoin in Exodus. And now you want to move it to Altcointrader so that you can withdraw it back into your banking account. Okay, so now you've got your Bitcoin here. I want to send my Bitcoin. Send to Bitcoin address. Which one is that? So you'll go then to Altcointrader and you will deposit, because now we're depositing the cryptocurrency into Altcointrader. We're depositing a cryptocurrency and we're going to choose Bitcoin. And over here, we can then select our personal Bitcoin address. You copy that and then you go back to Exodus, paste it in there. And you can decide whether you want to send half of it, all of it, or your own amount of Bitcoin. Okay. And then, okay, it's asking me to swap both. I don't have any Bitcoin in here. And then you can just send. And that's it. You just wait for it to come in here into your Altcointrader and you will see it display there. You will also get an email stating that you have received a deposit. Then you can sell it and withdraw it into your banking account. So obviously then if you wanted to withdraw it into your banking account, you go to withdraw, South African rands, ZAR bank withdrawals, and then your banking details are up there, and then you'll say the amount of rands that you want to withdraw, whether you want it immediate or if you don't mind waiting a day for it, then you can withdraw it. And then the same thing, you get the email and they will notify you, ask you to confirm the withdrawal. Okay, the same thing over here. For instance, if you want to go on Solana and now you want to send it to Altcointrader, we go back to Altcointrader and we deposit cryptocurrency and we select, so where was it? Solana. Okay, and then request Sol deposit address. And then you can get your Sol, that address there. Make sure that when you paste it, that it is the same BZG. Always make sure an FMA at the end. FMA, then it's 100%. And then you can send all or whatever you want from your Exodus to your Altcointrader. Okay, I hope this helps.